What's happening? Well, I moved everything around my shop yet again, trying to get ready for the new Felder equipment coming in. So let me check it out. So I finally moved the saw stop way over here in the corner because I'm only going to use this thing when I'm cutting small stuff. You know what I mean? So it's like 8 feet from here to the dust collector, which I'm going to be selling, by the way. 10 feet to the wall, 12 feet to the wall or whatever. And behind it, I have all this other equipment on wheels. So when I need it, I can just drag it out. I'm going to be putting the bandsaw over here, cutting in this direction. And I think I'm going to keep the hammer right here. I'm not sure. I got to move the wires around still. And then I'm going to put the shaper right here. And then this whole area right here is going to be dedicated to the new 700 sliding table saw. What do you think? I know it probably doesn't make any sense, but trust me, I've been roaming around for a week now, trying to figure out how best to bring this equipment in. You probably noticed I took down this little wall that I just put up a little while ago, and I'm going to put the dust collector right in here, so that'll be sweet. I built this over the weekend. Check it out. Huh? Look at that. I just love that swamp oak. It's amazing. So what am I going to do today? I need to make a tabletop for another client, and it's out of this white oak. So obviously I need to cut off all this hot wood. The hot wood, it's hot wood because it's the center of the tree. And that's why it's all cracked that way. It's because you just don't have any solid grain direction. I have 3 boards, so you can see them right there. It'll be like a 39-inch wide table or whatever. I'm gonna cut them, probably cut them down to like 13 inches so I can run them over the joint without killing myself. And that's it. It's looking pretty good. Give you a little update on the last living room set I was doing, right, for that other client. Check it out. Actually, I was building this for the show. Since I'm not doing the show, it's just going to be hanging around. But you can really see how beautiful that grain is. And like I was trying to say in those previous videos, if you absolutely 100% pay attention to the grain while you're building something, you're going to end up with something. You know what I'm saying? Because that thing is awesome. That wood was a pain in the neck to work with, but always a pain in the neck to work with. All right. Well, I was just checking in. I'll see you later.